हाय एवरीवन। मेरे गेटअप से तो आपने पता लगा ही लिया होगा व्हाट इज़ दिस वीडियो अबाउट। यस, इट इज़ अबाउट फादर्स डे। फादर्स डे सेलिब्रेटेड on the third Sunday in the month of June, and we all know fathers play a very important role in the life of their kids. So फादर्स डे हम क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? वी ऑल नो कि फादर्स ने कितने बड़े बड़े सैक्रिफाइसेस दिए हुए हैं बच्चों की खुशी के लिए। सो दिस इज़ द डे जब हम उन्हें रियलाइज़ कराते हैं दैट दे हैव मेड सच ग्रेट सैक्रिफाइसेस फॉर अस एंड वी लव देम. So this Father's Day we thought, let's cherish those old fond memories with our fathers. So hi Dad, I hope you are watching this video and this video is making you smile. So here goes my lovely memories with you. So this first pic is from my birthday when I turned 24 and you are feeding me cake. Yeah, celebrating birthday together. ये सेकेंड वन है जब अपन ऋषिकेश गए थे एंड दिस वॉज योर 25th वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी एंड वी डिड रिवर राफ्टिंग देयर. तो बहुत ही स्पेशल है सिंस इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू एडवेंचर. थर्ड वाली इज़ आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर मैं कितने साल की थी, बट स्टिल लाइक यू आर स्टैंडिंग राइट बिसाइड मी लाइक अ पिलर सपोर्टिंग मी. सो दिस वन इज़ क्वाइट स्पेशल फॉर मी. Then this fourth one, I don't remember since I was very small. मैं 1 साल की थी and ये मेरा birthday celebrate हो रहा है and I wore 2 dresses. That is what I have seen in pics. That's a lovely memory to cherish. Here comes the last one. I still remember the stories जो मैंने इस pic के बारे में सुनी है. मैं बहुत ही छोटी थी and आपके ऑफिस की पार्टी थी एंड यू वेंट टू सुकमा डुकमा डैम विच इज़ अ वेरी फेमस डैम. मैं मस्त केयर फ्री होकर के आपकी गोदी में सो रही हूँ. सो इट्स नाइस. थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द सपोर्ट डैड. आई नो आपने बहुत सैक्रिफाइसेस दिए हैं. थैंक यू डैड फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड टू टेल यू दैट आई लव यू.
नन्ही सी आँखें और मुड़ी हुई उंगलियाँ थी, तो ये बात तब की है जब मेरे लिए दुनिया सोई हुई थी. सो दिस पिक्चर इज़ व्हेन आई वाज माय फादर्स 2 months little princess. That day God chose you to be my dad and I could literally feel the picture. I could literally feel those moments and thank you God for blessing me with such a beautiful gift. This picture was clicked when I was 2 years old. And I feel as lucky as I can because the world's best dad belongs to me. So love you, Papa. This is my favorite picture and your daughter has grown up now, Papa. Thank you for always smiling with me and making me smile. To the world you might be just a father, but to me you are my world. So this picture shows what all I want. I always want you to be my side, to protect me, to love me and to bless me, and I love you so much, Papa. You are my superhero. चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, a very happy Father's Day to all the superheroes out there.
Hey guys, today is Father's Day. So I'm here to make my dad feel a bit special. So all I'm going to do is share my 5 pictures with my dad just to revive and relive those memories. So here we go. So the first picture I'm sharing is 5-year-old me when we went to Amritsar, and it was the first time I realized that we are lookalikes, like me, Choti Mummy, and Didi, Chote Papa. The second picture I am sharing is from my 7th birthday. I still remember how I invited my friends. Actually, it was not even an invitation. It was sort of a dhamki that listen, अगर आ रही हो तो बताना और नहीं आओ तो वो भी बता देना. And at then nobody turned up and I ended up crying. And I still remember how you actually kidnapped my friends from their home and made my birthday a special one. So thank you, Papa, for all those efforts. The third picture which I'm sharing is again from my birthday, and it's me sitting in your lap because you were teasing me that I have been picked up from a dustbin, and it was just because you felt pity over me and I was very cute. You just picked me up from the dustbin, but it's not true. We share the same tone. Actually, I can say it's original and photocopy. So पापा बच के रहिए, मैं आप ही की प्रिंसेस हूँ. आपका दिन पूरा नहीं होता जब तक आप हमको बिल्कुल टीज ना कर लें, रुला ना लें, तब तक आपका दिन पूरा नहीं होता. ऑफिस से कितना ही थके आए होंगे, बट हमको तो परेशान करना ही करना है. बट आई लव इट. जब आप करते नहीं हो ना, देन आई मिस दैट. कह रही आज गुस्सा नहीं कर पाता, उन्होंने परेशान क्यों नहीं किया. सो कंटिन्यू डूइंग दैट. एंड आपकी स्माइल की तो क्या ही जरूरत. गजब. और अब जो उसमें खिड़की खुल गई है, आहा, मेक्स इट मोर ब्यूटिफुल. एंड पापा, लेट मी गिव यू अ फू अलर्ट. आई डोंट लाइक यू डूइंग दिस फू एवरी डे. सो स्टॉप दैट हैबिट. एंड मेरी बातें माना करो. गिव मी मनी and keep loving me and pampering me. और दीदी से ज़्यादा. Love you, Papa. The picture I am sharing is very close to my heart, and you can say it's a special one. And it was back in the year 2017 when I went for my joining. It was my first job. You took me to Gurugram and you were like, घूम लो फिर लो, और घूमना है तो एक हफ्ता और घूम लो, पर वापस आ जाना, ज़रूरत नहीं जॉब करने की. सो इट वॉज हाउ यू होल्ड मी एंड ब्रॉट मी बैक विद दोज इमरजेंसी रिजर्वेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई जस्ट कांट फॉरगेट दैट. So the fifth picture I'm sharing is when mom and Didi tortured us and I just pedal the boat, but still the smile says it all. We were very happy doing it and we actually enjoyed it. Papa, जो I feel for you, इसको पता नहीं कैसे बोलना है, पर yes, I will say you are my tantrum dealer. सारे नखरे उठाते हो. And I still remember कैसे कॉलेज की शिमला ट्रिप के लिए आपने मम्मी से परमिशन दिलवाई थी. झूठ बोला था कि एजुकेशनल ट्रिप है, जाने दो. And love you, Papa. I love your innocent smile. Keep loving us the way you do.
Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. So it's Father's Day and वैसे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि एक ही दिन अपने पेरेंट्स को या अपने फादर को या अपनी मदर को स्पेशल फील कराना है. बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट बिकॉज अब ये है दिन, so let's do something cute and nice. So here I'm going to share 5 pictures. So it's just a kind of memory gush, so everybody is going to love it. And while I was selecting the pictures, even I went back into those 90s era when I was born, and I really find that I was such a blessed kid to have father like you. And so the first picture which I'm sharing is when my dad was posted in Solapur, that was in Maharashtra, and I basically spent my 6 years there. And as you all can see, he looks so handsome, so handsome. I'm really fond of my dad actually. And what inspires me to work is your love for work. That inspires me a lot, Papa. Keep doing it. Now the second pictures is I was about 2 or 3 years old. It was my birthday. And what reminded me and what made me share this picture is, I just want to say thank you, Papa. Like how beautifully we used to go for cake shopping, and you used to take so many efforts. In fact, you still take so many efforts for our birthday.
and I really like it. I really love the way you used to prepare, you used to do preparations and everything so excitedly for our birthdays. I just love you, Papa. Keep doing it again. Now, the third picture is, it's my favorite picture and it's my father's favorite picture as well. Now, so the reason behind it is, he's looking so handsome, my mother is looking so pretty, and I am looking, I don't know what I am looking, but yeah, I am looking fine. But because this is my father's favorite picture, I am here to share this with you. Now, here I am around about 25, 24 years old, and we went to a trip to Shirdi, and as you all can see, we both are having that similar print t-shirt, and I'm very proud of it. Now, the reason behind this is, everybody says that I have features similar to my father. So yes, I am proud of him and I admire him, so I am pretty as well.
Yeah, boy.
So basically, everybody says that the first girl child, if she goes on features of her dad, so she's the luckiest one, and I'm so happy that I look like you. मुझे घमंड आता है when I look like you and when I dress up like you and when we pose together. So I really love it. Fifth picture is, this is my favorite picture. Like personally, it's my favorite picture because मैं इसमें बहुत अच्छी लग रही हूँ. And here it shows my dad has, you know, he is a big poser Papa. So yeah, what I feel personally is, my pictures with dad, they just come awesome. चार चांद लगा देते हैं मेरी beauty को, and I really love to pose with him. Now I would like to say, I love you, Papa. I love you being the eldest daughter of yours. Seen the struggle which you've made to provide us the best of things you can, and we are so happy and blessed to have a father like you. And yes, I fight a lot with you, but it's just because of your health. तो वो लड़ाई तो continue रहेगी अपनी. The way you get emotional while watching any of the emotional movie scenes, that shows that such an innocent heart you are. And Papa, आप हमेशा ही ऐसे रहो. Stay healthy. Please eat healthy. And you are very precious to us. And अपना ख्याल रखें. And I love you. I love you lots. And you are my strength. And I promise you, I'll be your support forever. I'll hold your hand forever. Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Hi everyone, my name is Monica, and for Father's Day I've selected 5 photographs. The first one in this red frock, I may be around 1 year old, and the reason why I selected this photograph because I look so damn cute, and rest I don't know what I'm doing. I don't remember actually. The second photograph that I selected is from Beda Ghat in Jabalpur. We were visiting our cousins. We went for a boat ride in Beda Ghat, so this is probably before the boat ride. We are waiting in the queue. The third photograph which I selected is from December, 26th of December to be precise. Date I know, year I don't know. The reason I remember the date is because 26th of December is our parents' engagement anniversary, and so every year on this day we used to go for a small picnic and then dinner and then come back home. And the fourth photograph that I selected is from St. Jude Shrine in Jhansi, and it was a family custom that whenever we used to go out and while coming home we used to pay a visit over there. We used to light a candle or two on the grotto, then we used to come back home. So this is probably after lighting the candle at the grotto. The fifth photograph and the last one that I selected when I was in 12th standard, and Papa used to take me for the board examination, and when we used to come back, we used to stop in Don Bosco school where my mother used to wait, and like all parents do, she used to ask me how the exam went, what all question came and everything, and then along with my mother we used to come home. So these are my 5 photographs for Daddy's Day. I hope Papa enjoys this as much as I enjoyed making this, going down the memory lane, selecting the 5 photographs, and yeah, happy Father's Day, Papa. Cheers.
Cheers to my dad.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. Cheers to you.
Happy Father's Day.
A very happy Father's Day to all the superheroes out there, and cheers to this bond of father and daughter.
तो अब तक के लिए बस इतना ही. आई होप मेरा ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.